Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can mirror your Android device on your laptop which is running Ubuntu 18.04 version. So open the terminal and I am going to copy paste some commands. You can pause the screen and look at these commands. I will also put them in the description of this video and you just have to copy paste it and then run it on your terminal. I am copying the first command, pasting here on the terminal, sudo snap install SCRCPY, that is the short form of screen copy. Executing it, here it is showing that snap SCRCPY is already installed, so it will take some time for you, and I have already installed, so it is showing that it is already installed. So moving on to the next command, sudo apt-get-install-adb. It is also the newest version here, and you have to execute this command too. And then after this command, android-tools-adb are very necessary to Android your device. And after that, sudo apt-get install ffmpeg. So after these all are installed, I am going to show you something that first you have to enter adb devices. It has shown that I have this device connected, okay, but if it is not showing that there is a device connected, then you must go to your Android phone. I am showing how you can do that. This is my Android phone, and if you want to mirror your Android phone, you have to go to settings and go to this option system, and here there will be option about phone, and then you can see build number. Here it is showing that no need, you are already a developer, but you have to click it at least 7 to 8 times so that you can be developer. And then there will be this particular option showing developer options. You have to go to in it will be automatically on, and you have to on this thing, USB debugging. It will be a default off, but you need to on it so that you can mirror your device. After your USB debugging will on, and then each time you will just type adb devices, there will be a device showing. If the device is not showing here, it means you can't mirror your device. And also very important thing, your device needs to be connected to a USB with your laptop. Although there is a version of screen copy that works with Wi-Fi, I will show you that in later video. So you just when you have done all things, all the commands are executed, and you also have started your USB debugging on your Android phone, you can just need to put SCRCPY in the command line, and your Android screen will start getting mirrored on your laptop. So suppose I am closing it and the whole thing just went, but there are some work when you need to mirror your Android device, so you need to save that video file. So what you have to do, SCRCPY -r and whatever the file name you want, mkv. I am wanting that the screen recording is saved as a file name 1.mkv. you can either put it whatever name dot you name and .mp4 extension. So, and if you don't want that your laptop screen should come in that video, so you can also put one argument -f. Then see, your only mobile screen is visible on your laptop, and you can control anything on your mobile just by clicks. Here you can see this is my channel. You can see everything. You can even scroll through your mouse. So this is the benefit of screen mirroring. And there are two important factors. And see, one dot recording complete to matroska file 1.mkv. this file be automatically in your files home directory 1.mkv. see, it is recorded and recording is saved. So you just have to put this command in order to save -r whatever the file name you want, and if you want it full screen you should put -f. Thanks for watching this video.